Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the free Darton crossbody bag in Heartopia. So in this spring season, Heartopia has a new event that called Spark of Romance like this. And at this event, you can get the daily quest to claim the collaborations role and then to link with your friends to get circular signals and square signals like this. And from this daily quest, you will get the signal points. And when you reach the 150 signal points, you will unlock this Darton crossbody bag automatically like this. So just complete your daily quest and then just obtain more points to until you reach 150 points like this. And trust me, this bag is so cute. It looks like this. This one. It has a purple color with the little hat like this. I think it's so cute. And okay, that's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.